And it's that time again. Welcome to CramTime. Welcome to another video. Today we'll be covering writing functions from tables. We start right now. As always, I'm here to make the most of your time, so let's get right into it. I'm going to go through 2 practice problems and then we'll be on our way. So first here I have this table. My input is x and my output is f of x, as we've covered in previous videos. So my x's are 1, 2, 4, and 5, and my outputs are 6, 10, 18, and 22. So we know that we're going to have, in a function, we're going to have our slope, which is the amount that you're multiplying by x, and then we're going to have our y-intercept. So your number one priority is to find the slope, and then you work from there. So when I look here, as we go from 1 to 2 in input, we go plus 4. When I go from 2 to 4, it's I jump from 10 to 18, which is plus 8. But since 2 to 4 is 2 units, it's actually another plus 4. And 4 to 5, it's a plus 4 in the f of x output value. So that jump of 4 every single time is going to tell me that my function is going to have a slope of 4. So it's 4x. So now I'm going to plug in my x here, 1, and I'm going to plug it into 4x, and I get 4. But that doesn't match up with 6, so I'm going to understand now that my y-intercept is 2. Now, just to check, I'm going to plug in the rest. If I plug in a 2, I get plug in the 2 here, and I get 8 plus 2 is 10. That matches up. I'm going to check 4, 16 plus 2, 18. That matches up. Plug in a 5, 20 plus 2, 22. That matches up. So I just wrote a function from this table I was given. We are now going to address every teacher's favorite trick problem when it comes to this question. And so here we have a table, and we have -1, -2, 1, and 2. What you should immediately notice is that the x's are not in order. Although it looks like it's a 1 to a 2, it's a -1 to a -2, which is the wrong order. So we should actually have a -2, -13 here, and then a -1, -8 over here. So that's a very common trick that they'll try to do, so you want to pay attention. Now that we're going up 1 unit, we're going up plus 5. Now here we went up plus 10, but again, it's 2 units. -1 to 0, there's 0 to 1. So that's another, technically, I should probably write it like that, plus 5. Now we have 1 to 2, and that's 2 to 7, so that's plus 5. So we know f of x is equal to 5x, and then again, we're going to plug in this -2, -10, so when you get -13, so we're subtracting 3. Now just test, let's test the +1, and we get 2. Test the +2, we get 7. Looks good, and we are done. If you're currently cramming for a test, click on the correlating playlist in the description. If this video and channel were of value to you, hit that subscribe button and like the video. I'd love to hear your video requests and feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for your support and stay safe.